Cindy, she's 13 weeks old. She's from a heavy coated mother and an Irish coated sire, and she's come for the first time today. I'm just getting her used to being on the table. Her owner's combed her and got her used to the table as well, and I'm just using tiny bits of cheese to encourage her to stand. First, brush the dog through, so it's a gentle brush. Stand. Teach puppy to stand. Use a little treat to encourage it. Stand. Good girl. Good girl. It's a clever puppy. Clever, clever puppy. Okay, go for it. So now she's combed right through, and we're going to tip. And tipping is just lifting the hair and cutting off the tips. You're taking the same amount off all the way down. It's only a tiny amount initially. The black tips on a puppy is the original hair they were born with, and that needs taking off at regular intervals, else the coat gets dry and you'll not be able to comb through it as easily. I'm following the contours of the body. Comb and cut. Comb up, take the tip off, comb down, comb up, take the tip off, comb down. All the time the owner's keeping the puppy happy at the other end, and puppy's learning to stand and have a pleasant experience. Same this side. Comb up, comb, tip the end, flick up, and you can see the puppy's coat is turning to nearly all wheaten colour now, because we're taking off all the dead ends of the coat. That's a good girl. She's been a very good puppy. Rear end, just completely cover the puppy so you don't cut it, and just go from the bone here, blend in, using one-sided thinning shears this time, and only as far as the hock. You never cut the hair down here, especially if you want to show the dog. If you don't want to show the dog, that doesn't matter too much. And this side, again, protect the dog from the bone, work your way down, keeping the scissors moving all the time, and comb it through. Tidy up round here, being very, very careful. Protect the puppy. Just blend in the hair. At this stage she doesn't have to have a show quality trim, we're just giving her a little practice so she gets used to it.